What you saw there was one of these, the new Spafax shatterproof truck mirror. To test the shatterproof qualities of this mirror, we fired at it with a 7.62mm NATO round. As you saw, the bullet went through. But even the lethal stopping power of that weapon couldn't shatter this surface. That's how tough it is. The new Spafax shatterproof truck mirror. Tomorrow's mirror, today. Mirrors, man's answer to the problem of looking backwards while going forwards. Every truck has to have them. Traditionally, the reflectors have been made of glass. It's a marvelous material, but it has one flaw which costs a great deal of money every year. Glass very easily shatters. In fact, research shows that today's bigger and faster trucks can break up to 5 or 6 mirror lenses every year. And it's not just the replacement lenses the operator has to pay for either. There's the expensive vehicle downtime too. But not any longer. Spafax have beaten the problem. Their new truck mirror will do everything a traditional mirror does, except shatter, at last. A mirror that rarely stands up to the rough and tumble. Spafax Director of Research, Dr. Dennis Robinson, takes up the story.
We set out to produce a new mirror which would meet EEC regulations. It was to have a very long life, to be very safe in use, it was to be styled for function, and above all, it was to appeal to the cost-conscious customer.
The solution lay in new high-technology materials. The lens is in ultra-tough ABS, the body in polypropylene. Here, the whole assembly is tested for impact strength. We're at the British Standards Institute, Hemel Hempstead. Mirrors for Class 2 vehicles from 3.5 tons upwards have to meet a wide range of EEC criteria. Here, a BSI official tests the Spafax mirror for precise conformity of curvature. Here, assessing the optical reflectivity of its hard metallic surface. Finally, confirmation that the mirror has passed the necessary test procedures of the institution.
The result is a truck mirror setting wholly new standards of safety, durability, and cost effectiveness.
So now, let's see what you get for your money with the Spafax Universal Truck Mirror. Safety, first of all, from the incredibly tough lens and the flexible shock-absorbing back. Visibility, the hard metallic surface gives brightness, reduces glare. Adaptability, it is, of course, fully adjustable from within the cab. Security, the fixing is easy to get on with the Allen key we provide, hard for a thief to get off. Quality, the E-Mark guarantees this mirror meets all European standards. And finally, there's the cost saving that begins from the moment an operator fits the world's first shatterproof truck mirror. Think what conventional mirror breakages cost the vehicle operator. There's the cost of new mirror heads and replacement glasses, a lot of money on a big fleet in a full year. The cost of the fitter's time to go out and fit those new heads and glasses onto the vehicles. The cost in lost revenue while those vehicles stand at the roadside or in depot, as by law they must, till a new mirror's fitted. The cost of buying and holding an adequate stock of replacement heads and glasses for conventional mirrors. Yet, for a fraction of that whole annual cost, an entire fleet can be fitted out with Spafax shatterproof mirrors, a massive saving to the operator in the first year, and with no further outlay needed, still bigger savings in years 2 and 3. There, in terms of money saved, is the real benefit of a mirror that doesn't shatter on impact. The Spafax shatterproof truck mirror for heavy commercial vehicles, the first of a range. Part number TM1. And now the second in the range, TM2, a shatterproof mirror for light commercial vehicles. Seen here in use by Wiltshire County Council Highways Department, the TM2 fits all Class 3 vehicles. That's light trucks, vans and box vans up to 3.5 metric tons gross plated weight. And, believe me, the new, smaller Spafax mirror is every bit as shatterproof as its big brother. I'll show you how. And these are the kinds of situations it's designed to cope with. With its two special adapters, the TM2 fits the Mark I and the Mark II transit van, and in addition, the great majority of light commercial vehicles on British roads today. And it offers the customer all the features and benefits of the TM1. The same advanced technology makes it ultra-tough and safe. The same universal fitting and precise positional control. The same pilfer-resistant fixing. Fit it firmly and forget it. And again, performance and quality to the full European standard. Add to that the same cost savings year after year to the vehicle fleet operator. Put all that together and you've a mirror for all reasons. The Spafax range of shatterproof mirrors. The TM2 for light commercial vehicles up to 3.5 tons. The TM1 for heavy trucks. Two British firsts for the 1980s. Invented and manufactured in the United Kingdom for the transport industry worldwide.